people, make una pray for Regina Daniel. Make una pray for Regina Daniel. Wetin dey happen for grandpapa house, e big pass our head. Regina Daniel co-wife, the fourth wife, she say finally she cannot talk. She said since then wey all these things happen, no be say she no fit talk o. She go fit talk, but she no know the reason why she no dey fit talk. But now her mouth don dey open. She say na something dey result to something o. Hey, he say wetin dey happen for grandpapa house, he say nobody fit understand. When you want to marry already made husband, when you want to marry already made husband, when you no know as they take use bitter leaf soup, take cook pepper soup, hey, when money take come out, you won't eat the soup. Sometimes there are consequences. Already made husband, e no easy on a prayer. Prayer say may you not go fall into the pit of hell because say you won't chop money. Grandpapa fourth wife say since where all this thing happen, he say never feel the freedom where he free. Say be like say Regina Daniel can't set him free. He say even after he don't leave grandpapa, he don't go. He say he must not the let her talk with her eyes see for there. Say be like say they silence her, not physical but spiritual. He say but since when Regina Daniel come aside, she can't feel one kind liberty. She can't feel free. Her spirit be like say they lose her from inside bondage. According to her, she say wetin she dey talk so she never ever fit talk am since then. She say now she fit come open mouth to talk. My people, things dey happen. Grandpapa fourth wife say wetin her eye see for. Say wetin her eye see for grandpapa house. He say it's not a joking matter. She say things dey happen for there. She say when she married grandpapa carry and go put for her own house. He say that house now, as she dey talk till today, nobody dey enter the house. Nobody at all. That's her own house where she stay. That place just free. Big mansion, no. All those duplex. I know say now beautiful inside there. The one where belong to Chantel, this grandpapa fourth wife. As she take go now, so that house stay there. Nobody dey enter. Chantel say when they do marriage, say small. Say grandpapa come carry her enter house. As grandpapa carry her enter house, grandpapa come stay with her for 1 week for them. When grandpapa stay with her for 1 week, grandpapa come out. He come dey wait for grandpapa say go come back. He no see grandpapa. Now he call the house wetin dey happen. So he come call grandpapa. Now grandpapa come tell am say, he no dey stay now because he new marry am. Now make am stay with her for 1 week. Say now the women and they come in own side. Say if he reach her turn, he go call her. She go come. She come say okay. Oh. She said this one is according to her. She said grandpapa no dey stay with any of the woman. Now only grandpapa dey stay his own. Now only grandpapa dey stay. Anytime we be this one turn, he go go. Anytime we be the turn of this one, if he call you, you come. But say only you just carry your two-legged Benz go there. Say grandpapa no dey agree. My lovely fans, according to how she say, now so grandpapa they put the law. He say grandpapa house. He say nobody they go there without grandpapa no invite you, without any permission. According to her, she say one day she get urgent thing to tell grandpapa she was pregnant then. Now she just passed. Okay, me she reach grandpapa place, making tell grandpapa. He say as in they go. He say like, he say they no agree make he enter compound. She na wife oh, she no be girlfriend, wife. He say they no agree. He say they can't call grandpapa. He say as they call grandpapa, come tell her say she did it. Say grandpapa come they shout for her. What they tell her say, who tell you may come? He not tell you say na person we invite now they come. Be like say you won't dig your own grave. Now grandpapa come tell her say, before you open the eye, close the eye, make it disappear from here. He say why grandpapa they shout so? He say they see some kind of strange things. People where they wear some kind of strange things. He say now he can't take come out. He say from that day now he know say things are not okay. Something is going wrong. Haba, how man go just marry? Get wives. All the wives they separate. In they separate. Old man like that. Only one they stay. He say he might come begin to tell him strange things. So my people, according to the woman, She say she come begin dey put eye for ground small small. He say he come notice am one day wey grandpapa come meet am. He say one day, he say when he come reach he turn, he come go grandpapa place. He say he come put eye for ground. He come dey check things. Because then he might don dey tell am say, all these things, things are not okay here. He say na so he continue dey put eye for ground, dey look ground until he come see wetin big pass am one day. He say he come see one native pot. Wetin grandpapa dey do with native pot? She say now she can't see one native pot. He say as he see the native pot, he say na so he quick comot for there. She say she no know whether camera dey the house wey grandpapa say they know wetin dey happen. He say as grandpapa come start to the verse. The next thing grandpapa say make she dey go, make she comot. Like they say waiting, say grandpapa say if you make am verse, you go see another thing. Just comot for here. He say na so she can't say comot o. Now she can't go back to her house. He say now from there, now strange things come dey happen to her. Strange things. He say grandpapa go dey give am different things they drink. Say take this. He say all those things where they talk say they smoke, they do all these things. He say na lie. He say those things he get waiting this man they miss. They give them they drink. He say according to her, she say get waiting the man they miss. They give them they drink. He say now so the man go give them. I drink, you go high. Now gogoro, now kind. Now so they go drink. When they drink finish, they'll come see themselves for where they no expect to see themselves. They'll come high. You know, even according to her, she say high get high. Like you go be like say some kind spirit. Now you can control them. So according to her, she say after this whole thing, when it happened, when she can't take carry her two-legged this Benz, they come up for grandpapa house. He said the prayer where they even pray for her, they tell her and say, the more that they do like people where they colo, the more grandpapa pockets go dey full. Say the more that they do like people where their brain not correct, the more that they do anyhow, the more grandpapa pockets they full. Say they go tell her and say, now God save you. Because you don't chop. Now time for you to return back. Now it be your own. But your head come strong. The time where they won't take collect from you now, your head no degree. Now it make anyone where your head no gree. Now so you go pursue them. I pursue now, I pursue you because your head no gree. He don't give you, you must pay back. So according to the information, Chantel say, Regina Daniel, go and thank your God. Go thank your God because all those maltreatments not be ordinary. Chantel say all those beating. He say no be say they start one day. He say they get to one extent. He go come start the beating. He go come start to they give persons until they eat, they drink. He say when it don't reach that time, no say na time for the person to pay back for the enjoyment where they enjoy. Wonder shall never end, my people. Chantel say me Regina Daniel make him mama make they go they do prayer. If it because of money carry Regina Daniel go there. You see this matter after they go put time. After some years don't pass, now kilometer now Regina Daniel go take come off for there because last they come they do like person where they colo. According to Chantel, say even the first wife when he did for London, say the first wife not even get voice to talk. The woman is a lawyer, and they were married legally. The woman not even get voice to talk. She not fit say anything because wetin they do, he no get mouth to talk. He said this Regina Daniel, her head no gree. Now he make grandpapa the verse, not be anything. Because he don't reach time where Regina Daniel go take pay for all the enjoyment we enjoy. Time now don't reach. All those things where they drink, they eat, is a kind of sacrificial something when they give them. No, they give them the drink. Then, when they don't do all this, you can't say, the person take this thing, the person can't they do anyhow. He say even Laila, he don't do Laila. He say the time when Laila and grandpapa take quarrel, when Laila take go Morocco, he say Laila almost they throw away clothes. He say Laila can't they do anyhow. He say now he make the carry Laila come back on the beg. He say now the Laila beg go. Laila mama, his family, all of them, they come kneel down, they beg grandpapa. He say Laila almost colo. He say because that time they don't collect with it, they won't collect for that one. They can't still throw away that one outside. That one they can't come back on the beg. He say get where go give you rich o, later you go still pay back for everything when you shop. Hey, Chantel say na freedom, na he free o. Say he free from this bandage. Say na Regina Daniel set am free. He say wetin dey talk, so he say mouth no dey fit dey talk am. He say na only when he go church, pastor wey read dey see road, when they pray for her, now they go dey tell am. He say she go just dey shake her head. No be say she no know her story, but she no dey fit dey talk. Say but now God don set am free. Every bondage God don set am free. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Things dey happen, oh. Things they really happen. So according to Chantel, he say if Mama Regina Daniel like, make he use the pikin to do sacrifice. Say na I know. He say do one way happen to her. He say before she fit get herself back, imagine they no use her, they almost use her, they no use her. He say before she fit get herself, come balance back, come bounce back. Hey, he say prayer finish for church. He say imagine the one way they use. He say make Mama Regina Daniel carry pikin run far. There are things going on in that house. Things. How can a man, he has man will be your husband. Before you go there, you must tell her. And if you come, you not tell her, even if na emergency. Now gate you for go to talk. If you go in house, you go say no enter here, no enter there, no enter there, no enter there. Because this second wife now there they sleep with her. That other wife now there they sleep with her. Every wife get room where they sleep with them. Every wife get their own kitchen when they use. They say if you see the house, hey, now big house. So every wife get their own kitchen. Everybody gets a private thing. He said they think say okay, maybe the man just plan well. He said, but that is not planning well. Everybody gets, according to Chantel, he said they do it because everybody gets what they want offer. He said since when she come out, what happened to her own side? Why they not put person? For the place, the house where grandpapa give him for inside those big villa when he built different houses. He said he owns still there, nobody did there. Why grandpapa not put person? If nobody say something is fishing, why grandpapa not put person? Even the same room where they own house, when in the carry and they enter, that room they say nobody they enter. Why not they put person? After person go, you go just close the door. After person go, after anyone come out, nobody they enter the place where that one pull leg. Go just lock am. If nobody say something strange is going on there, why you know they agree make another wife go the other house of the one we be say no dey again? Or any woman will come in life where they come out, the house when they put there, nobody they pull leg again. He prefer to build a new one. So according to Chantel, he said this whole thing say no be only physical. Say spiritual things still they among. Say grandpapa no they go only physical. Say grandpapa still they go spiritual. Say if Mama Regina Daniel love with daughter, may she try make carry daughter go church. That is the only solution. Everything where they happen according to Chantel, say no one way grandpapa no know. Say grandpapa they use all these many English words till they cover his spiritual work. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. What do you think? Do you think Chantel just they carry, they talk all these things just to vindicate herself against grandpapa? I be all these things now waiting truly happen. Now God, now I can't know whether na true Chantel they talk or na vindication. If this thing are truly true, Mama Regina Daniel, I beg protect your pikin. Now only God can know whether all these things na true or lie. If na true, na Chantel they talk. Mama Regina Daniel, I beg protect Regina Daniel. Even if she's 20-something years, you they say she old pass her age, she do this. Small pikin and still small pikin. I beg protect Regina Daniel. My people, make una leave una comment for the comment section. This na Gossip Big TV. God bless you in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen.